Record. Okay, guys. So this is basically how we start off building. Oh, how do I get this thing down? Okay, how we start off building a funnel. Now, I started off by giving us. Okay, let me switch. Hope you guys can see. Which of my screens can you see? Can you see the WhatsApp display page on? Is it WhatsApp you can see now, or is it WhatsApp you can
Is it
see, or
WhatsApp?
what you can see WhatsApp?
No, now I can see the dashboard for the site.
And then it's back to what?
WhatsApp now.
It's back to WhatsApp now. Okay,
Yes.
good, good, good.
Mm.
Zoom is actually behaving well today. Okay, so uh, why did I come here in the first place? Okay, okay, so I had shared with you guys the link before for the let's go to the group. Let me see. I've shared with you guys the link before now to create your own my link to create your own WhatsApp to create your own systems.io. Forgive me, please. Systems.io landing page or website, and then okay. So let me just assume that uh, we have the link. Okay, let's just assume that we have the link. If we're going to open another one, let me go somewhere. Okay, let me say let me use another one. Let's say Rich Life. Let's say Rich Life. I'm going to this is a new portal, and then let's assume that we're using that link. What you're going to see is something like this. Okay, no, this takes you directly to okay, so it takes you to a page. Once you enter your email and everything, you're supposed to log in here. Okay, so once you log in and then you're about to get started, let's just log in. uh, you're about to get started, it opens a page like this. Please take notes. Take notes. I'll share this video with you before the weekend so that you can use it as a reference for building your website. Okay, so it opens a page like this, and then what you're expected to do is go to funnels. Okay, funnels. And when you get to funnels, if you've not built anything before, this place will be empty, and then what you need to do is to click on create. Okay, click on create. But if you build something, you see it here, and then you can click on it, and then to open the place where you do the actual design. So then you now come to edit page. When you click on edit page, it will show you the 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 space which you the place you're going to be doing pretty much the work that you're supposed to do. Okay, so this is the last job I'm doing at the moment for a project I'm working on with a few of my guys. Okay, so that's how to get in there. Let me do it again. So I've come here. Another person's account. Okay, if you click on funnels, it says login because you've been out for a while. So I'll log in, and then we're, we're in now. And then once you're in, you go to funnels. Once you go to funnels, you see the pending work. Sorry, you see the pending jobs that are there. So it's just one project on this one too, and then like that. If you want to create another project, you could click on create, and then you could click on create, and then it will open another portal for you to start off. Choose a team and start. So let me just start off quickly. If you let's say we want to create something new, let me go to the other one I opened. This last one I opened. Let's go back. Okay, so now there's something you need to do when you want to. Okay, let me just go back. Okay. uh Guys, give me a moment. Okay, let me just take this call. Hello. Hello. What? Oh, come on, my fine now. Good evening now. Mom still call me, say auntie husband don't die. Okay, sorry guys, let's just continue now. Once you're in, uh, this is the workspace. Okay, now if you want to view the actual work you're doing, see this part here that says view funnel. That's where you go to. Okay, you go to view funnel and then you're able to see the work you're doing. So let's say I click on view funnel now. It will take me to a page that I'm seeing the actual job I'm doing. Okay, the layout, how it's going to be on the website. Okay, now how it's going to be on the website. Okay, so you could be working, and then when you come here, every work you've done you could just refresh, and then you see the changes that you're making, if you're doing the right, if you're doing the right thing or not. So that said, let's start a fresh job. Okay, and then let's just see what we can build. Okay, who is on this call? Let me see. The guy is here, and then Emmanuel. Okay, let me use car again. Vix. Okay, so let's come to Vix. This was where we were working on the last time, and then so let's just say we're using the link and then we're starting again. Okay, so we're using the link and then we're here. Let's log in. Oh, I've not entered this thing before. If you can please give me that your Vix clicks. Am I right? At gmail.com. Gmail.com. Let's see, I have that password correctly. Let's see. Yes, I'm right. So let's save this and then cancel this. Let's come to funnel and then let's start building. So it's pretty much a fresh work, and they will not done much here. So okay, so we have the first project, Vix Cakes. This was the one I was working on Saturday at the in class. Okay, so let's click on view page to see what we had done on Saturday, and then we can now remove all of them. So okay, this was what the page looked like. You could see it had all the okay, this was what we did that day was just put logo, and then we put like we changed this first statement here. Okay, let's now do let's just do a few things and then let's see what we can get to that. Okay, now so look at all these points where you can see where you can see that are lightable here: delivery, contact us, community resources. Okay, all of this can be edited. Okay, you could put something, you could put a link there that'll take you somewhere. So let's just go to dashboard and let's click on edit page. You take us to the page and let's start editing things. Okay, so let's say first of all you want to know how I put the logo there. Let's come back to the edit page, or to the editor, and then let's see. So this is logo. Once you click on it, just come and then click on it. If you click on it, look at the left hand side, you will notice that the left part is opening. You can see there is sound. I hope you can hear me now, or it's still noisy. What kind of sound, please? Can you guys hear me? All right. So okay, let me just continue. So how did I change this logo? So what we'll do is you come to the logo, click on it. You can see that it changed here. You can see image file. What you want to do, if I want to change this logo to another thing, all I need to do is click on this point here. You can see this thing, it means upload. You can click on it to upload another file, you understand, like a picture file. So it could be a JPEG file, PNG file, or whatever file. You just upload it there, and then it would come in and fit in there. Now there's also another place where you can put a link if you want that picture to take them somewhere. Okay, you put a link there and it will take them to wherever you want them to go to. So that link will come in here. You can actually upload the link, or you put the link here. Okay, so let's say we're changing this. I'll come here and click on it. Let's click, you can see upload. Let's select a file from the system. Now what you want to do is, most likely if you're going to use if you're going to use pictures, you would have uploaded those pictures on your laptop before, know where they are, so you can easily find them and put them on the website. Okay, so let me use this one we did for the company we're working on, Hungry Hub. So let's say I want to use this to replace that logo that is there. Okay, so I put it here, it will load, and then it's here. It's a PNG file that I've removed the background. I'll click here now. I'll click insert. Okay, so when you click insert, you can see that the logo has changed. Okay, the logo has changed. It's a bit small, but let's just ignore that. So let's come to the other features here. Look at delivery, like this delivery part. You can see that there are different things. So you can see delivery here, you can see contact us and link. Contact us is next thing. You can see it on number 2, contact us and link. You can see community and link. You understand? So all of these things, all you need to do is, if you want the link that I put in here is where you want these things to carry them to. Okay, so let's say for instance I want this thing to link. You want, when you click on delivery, you want it to link to the place where they're going to, let's say you want it to link to the delivery service that you're using. Okay, and then like that, or maybe another aspect of your website or another page. You understand? It's that link you're going to put here. Okay, now contact us, let's use contact us as the example. Okay, contact us like that. Now that day what we did was we put a link, and then we used a link, WhatsApp link. So let me just show you. That day I used wa.link. Okay, wa.link, and it opens like this. So once wa.link opens, you come down here to this place. Okay, you can see where you input your phone number. So let me just put my phone number here, 08134987658, and then I put what I want to write. So I say hello, hello Vix Cakes, Vix, let's just put it that way. I want to make an order, okay, so I want to make an order. So once you do that, you can see how it will appear here. Okay, I'll just add something else. My name is, so the person will write his name when it's coming, so I could take that directory. Okay, for you could save that later on to deal with them on a one-on-one or a personal or an up close basis. So generate link. Once you click on generate link, you can see they've created a link. You can come down here and then copy the link. This screen, you can copy link. When you copy the link, you come to the page. Let's come to the page now, and then so I want to put that in the contact us place. Okay, so under contact us, so put that link there. Once we put the link, you go and click on save changes. Okay, save changes. I didn't save that logo we put there the other time. Okay, so let's click on save changes. Let's click on the link there on the logo, and then click on save changes. Okay, so if you come here to know that what we are doing is correct, so you come here, you click on refresh. You refresh, you can see that the logo is now different, and then the contact us is highlighted. Let me click on this. Let me click on. Let me go out of here. I'll click on this link and drop it on the. I'll click on this link and drop it. So let's click the link. I want to drop it on the WhatsApp group. Okay, the WhatsApp group that we are in. I'll drop it here. So I need you guys to use it. Okay, I'm going to click on the contact us. I'll be waiting for the feedback on my WhatsApp. I'm sure you can see my WhatsApp on the screen. Let's see if it works out. Okay, so I've clicked that link, put it there. So use it from your end, and then let's see if it takes you to me. Okay, to confirm that the link works. Okay, so I'm waiting. If it works, it's supposed to take you to me. I don't want to do it on the laptop. That would mean I'm supposed to sign in and the rest of them. Okay, so it's there, and then the WhatsApp I use is the only WhatsApp that is here. Okay, so I'm waiting for you guys to use that link. Now you guys are wasting my time. Can you hear me? if you're having any issue, just let me know. If it's not working, you can unmute yourself and just speak up quickly. Is the link not taking you to the page? It should. If I click on this link now, it's supposed to take me. I've clicked on the link, it has taken me somewhere. It is taking me there. Except I didn't enter my number correctly. It has taken me to the page. Now if I click on contact us, you can see that contact us has opened WhatsApp already, and then to show that it's working, you can see my face on the WhatsApp now. You understand? It has carried it to me. You can see my face, the GemTrust Advantage here. So are you guys with me? Let me know if you can hear me, please. It took you to the page. What I wanted you guys to do was click on the contact us place, so I had to take you to my WhatsApp. That was the task, not just taking you to the page. You're supposed to click on the contact us on the page. You understand? I'm sure if you're opening it with your phone, you're going to see. Let me show you how it's going to look like when you open it with your phone. Okay. It's going to, let me go to mobile phone, mobile hand. So these three dots now, when you click on it, you're going to see contact us there. You're going to see contact us. So when you click on the contact us, it's now supposed to take you to WhatsApp. Okay. And then so let's just move on. Let me go back here. So did you take note of what I just did? I changed the editor page to mobile interface. So that's how you're doing it when you're working on we're working on the how to put it, when you're working on a project. You have to know how both how it will appear on phone and how it will appear on the website. Okay, so this place here, you can see a screen like like a monitor, and then you're seeing like a phone image here. So you can switch from both of them. When you switch from on both of them, it takes you to either the uh, web layout or the mobile app layout. Okay, so that's it. I can hear feedback. I don't know where that's coming from. That's from Vika's phone, I guess. So let's go on, and let's go on because of time. Okay, so we're back to editing this page. Now what's the next thing we want to look at? So let's look at before then we looked at this is cakes, meat pie, and buns. That was what we said, Shay. So what you can do to quickly change this image to look like a cake, you could go on Google and then look for any image. So let's do images of cakes. Okay, so images of cakes. If you have a personal job, okay, you could just use those. So let's see. I want to save this image now. So say save image as save image as, okay, so it's a JPEG file and it's going to save on my system. So I could put that here. I've saved that image. I'll come here now and say okay, I'll click on image. Once I click on image, you can see image file. Go to that place again where I talked about it. You can actually click on upload image. So when I come here, I'm going to see the picture of the cake I just saved or downloaded on Google, like that. You click on open, it's opening now, and then once it's done, we come here and then we click insert. Okay, so when we click insert, you can see that there's an image of a cake there that says happy birthday. So what you can do is now reduce the image. Okay, so it's not too big, so you come here, image size, you can see image size here. You can now say let's make it smaller, and then like that. So we have that one. We could make it a little bigger, so we could take, let it look like cake. Okay, and like that. So that's okay. And then let's see now. You can see also there's a space for URL here. This URL here, this is where you put the link, okay, for the URL. Let's say you have a catalog somewhere and then you want to take people. Let's say okay, you have a catalog on Instagram, okay, for instance, and then these cakes here for cake now you have a page where all the how do I put it, all the cakes, all the jobs you've done listed. So you could just go on Instagram, click on the link to the page where you've put your pictures and all of those together. You could click on that link and put the link here. Okay, when you put that link here, all you now need to do is save changes that you've made. Once you save that change, you understand, it is there. So let's come to the website again, and then let's you can see, let's see cakes is not, it has not changed here now. So let's refresh. So you can see we have refreshed, and then the cake is on the website already. Okay, so let's go back to editor. If you come back to editor, let's say we want to change this to meat pie. Let's come say images of meat pie. Okay, images of meat pie. So once we have, okay, we have meat pie here. So let's save this one. This is crunchy enough. Let's save this one. So save image is saved as JPEG, and then we'll click on save. We'll come to the editor page also. You click that place, the link will come outside. You click on this part. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. You click on that part and click select file. Okay, select file, and then you can see the meat pie file that we downloaded. You upload it here, and then once it's uploaded, you come here and click insert. Once you click insert, we have our meat pie file. Let's just click the last one. Let's just do it quickly. Let's come and say images of buns. How they spell buns? What cross buns? BUNSE. Are you sure? BUNSE. Buns. Let's use BUNSE first. Alright, no. Let's use BUNSE. BNSE buns. Hi, none of them. I don't know how to spell buns, so let's use something else. Let's say fish roll. BUNS. Just NS, no E. Okay, let's see BNS. Oh, buns have come aside. Is this buns? This thing looks like burger. Okay, let's just say buns. Let's use this one. Okay, we'll call it burger. Okay, so save image. It's JPEG, thank God. So save it and come back here. So let's change this to buns. Let's change it to that email. So upload file. The file is there. We'll click on it. So click open. It takes us there, and then as it takes us there, pretty much we don't have time. This thing will go. Okay, look at what we'll do. If it goes off again, we'll use the link one more time. Okay, but we'll not take the full length of 40 minutes, so that we can cover something reasonable tonight. Okay, click on insert, and then you can see, so we have 3 images here. Let's change this to burger. Is it burger or donut? This looks like burger, so let's make this burger. Okay, so burger. You can see how I changed this one. I just double clicked on it and it came up. Okay, so let's say, let me change it right up here. Once you just highlight it, just say our meat pie, our meat pie has real meat. Our meat pie has real meat. Hey, let's come to burger. Let's say burger like no other. Okay, so this is how you just impute whatever you want to impute. Now meat pie like no other. Okay, so always remember to save changes. Come here, save changes. Okay, for everything, always remember to save changes. Let's make this capital letter and save changes. Okay, so I want to believe we saved everything that we put there. So to see what you've done, you can now come here. So let's refresh. If we refresh, voila, so you can see that the site is there. So what you could just do is, maybe you come to look at this line. These things are not straight, they are not on a straight line. Okay, the cake is longer than the other ones. If you want to edit that, you come here. So let's say we go to this place now. It's still highlighted. The meat pie place is still highlighted. You can come to margin. Okay, when you come to margin, or is it margin, there's one other one, padding. Okay, so let's just use margin. Okay, when you click on it, you can see okay, this one, let's use this one. No, let's use this one. Yes, the down part. Nope. This is for the right up. This is for the right up. Let's go up. Let's go up a bit. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. Okay, it's not there. What we could just do is just click on the image and then maybe increase it a little so that it fits in. Okay, or we'll reduce this one so that they are all in one page. Okay, anyhow, just to get your job done, so that they're all in one line. Okay, so that's just pretty much about how to do that. So you can come down to the other pages. Okay, never worry about cooking again like that. Okay, you could change this to whatever I want to change, just highlight it, type whatever I want to type. Okay, if you want to change the font style, you understand, this is the size, this tells how big it's supposed to be, you understand. You can leave it like that. If you put it, it will change the height. This is the distance between the rows or the of the words. If you want the font size to change and all of this, that's what you're going to do. Line spacing or letter spacing, that's spacing between the words. Okay, that's how you edit all of those, and then like that. So just put all of those. Now the same way you added pictures in those places, that's the same way you put pictures here. Okay, so if I want to change this picture, all I just need to come here and upload another picture. Okay, so let's say I want to put that same picture of cake that we had in the first place. I want to put that here. I could just put this, and then we have that cake here, and then like that you can see. So that doesn't fit in properly, so let's do Control Z and take it out, and then like that. Now I'll teach you maybe subsequently how to make pictures like this that does not have backgrounds, how to put all of those here. So pretty much everything is same thing. If I want to change this picture, just get another picture that suits what you want to do, put it here, and then like that. So now let's do the one last thing. Let's do one last thing before we go. Look at this place where they said with me here. uh Look at this place where they said subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Okay, this subscribe part actually is a link is supposed to come up here. One of the things you could do is, okay, you can see show pop-up. If you want to put a link, all you just need to do is come here and click on open URL, and then you put your open URL. Now for the subscribe thing, when people want to make order, okay, you can now say, okay, let them make the orders here. Let's still use that link that we put, okay, on the WhatsApp. Okay, no, let's not use this one. Let's go and click on the link that we copied from that WhatsApp link that we used that time. So let's copy it again and then use it there, so that when people click on it, it will bring them to WhatsApp. Okay, so copied, and then let's come back here, put that link there. Okay, so the link is there that will take people directly to your WhatsApp. That's on the subscribe now. If you don't want to use subscribe now, come down, you will see where they wrote subscribe, there, and change it to whatever. You can say order now. Okay, you can see as I'm changing the words in this text, it's appearing there. So once you click on that order now, you click on save, and then that's saved. Okay, so you change all this right up same way, and then everything. Now let's go down. Let's leave all of these, same thing. You can change pictures for all of these, change write-ups the same way we're changing write-ups. No new thing, and then like that. So let's go down to all these, let's say the pages down here. Okay, there's no info on that. I'll use another website to give you the example for how to add all those Facebook links, Instagram links, and the rest of them. Pretty much same thing. You go to Facebook, collect the URL from this part, and then from the URL part, and then impute it in the URL page, and then takes people directly to where they can actually interact with you, and then do business with you. So pretty much you come here and then put in a new let's say you put in the logo that you changed, same thing again. And then let's see, where's the logo? Okay, we use this logo. Then Hungry Hub, put it back there. And then let's see. Okay, so it's there. Let's reduce the size. Let's see, let's reduce the size. Let's take this one up a bit. It is margin. Nope. So taking the margin up. Also, let's take this one up. Okay, nope. Let's take this up. Nope. Okay, so as you can see what I'm doing here, it just takes it up. So you can change the right up here to something about you. Okay, so you could say Vic's Cakes is the #1 leading food restaurant, or #1 leading cakes, and then whatever they call the business type, #1 blah blah blah. Put all of those there, and then you can now come here. All this could be, there could be links that you put in all of these places. Okay, when you click on this, you can see that there are spaces there. Okay, they're not all functional now, but we'll come to that subsequently. So, but you could actually delete most of all these things. Anyone you don't want, you can actually delete them, and then just leave the ones you want. Okay, like that. You can actually delete all of those. So for anything you've done, just click on save changes, and then that's how pretty much you build a website. Take your time on it. By the time you spend 1 hour, 2 hours on all of this, you see that you've come up with a beautiful website, and then like that. So let's click on save changes, and then changes are there. It's just that we didn't put in enough pictures, but at least you could see that we changed the other ones to cakes, meat pie, and the rest of them. So, and then the burger that we put here. So by the time you use that this style, you can see it's pretty much easy. Once you're done, you're good. The good thing is, from the start, you could actually use the URL provided here. If you come out of the page, you could use this URL. When you copy it and then share to your clients, okay, and use it on your Facebook, share to clients to actually view your website. You understand? So the beautiful thing about Systeme.io is that it gives you hosting. You understand? Free hosting. You understand? And then with their domain name, okay, free hosting. The good thing is, even when you change the domain name, you still have their hosting per se, like to help you with. So that's that about website for tonight. If there's any question, I would like to take that. If there's none, let's just end the share here, and then let's call it a day.